In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals in ClickUp. Goals in ClickUp turn big ideas into trackable outcomes, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear, measurable goal set up and ready to go. Start by opening your ClickUp account either in your web browser or the desktop app. If you're in multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where this goal belongs so everything lands in the right place. On the left panel, look for Goals and click it. This opens the Goals area where you can see existing goals and create new ones. Next, select New Goal. A setup window appears. Begin by entering a clear, action-oriented name. Think of something that instantly tells you what success looks like. Then assign an owner. The owner is the person responsible for moving this goal forward and keeping its progress up to date. After that, fill out all the necessary fields. Depending on your setup, that often includes a description for context, a start and due date to define the timeline, and any privacy or sharing options if you want to limit who can see it. Keep the description short but specific, and choose dates that are realistic for the scope of the work. Now click Create Target. Targets are the measurable building blocks of your goal. Give your target a straightforward name that reflects what you're measuring. Then fill out all the necessary fields for the target. You can usually choose a target type such as a numerical value, a true or false completion, a currency amount, or progress based on tasks. Define the starting value and the target value so ClickUp knows how to calculate progress. If your target is task-based, select the list or tasks that should count toward completion. For date-driven targets, make sure the time frame lines up with your overall goal dates. Add any notes that clarify how you'll measure success so everyone interprets progress the same way. When your target details look right, you're done with setup. From here, you'll see progress roll up to the goal as work happens. Keep names consistent, keep targets measurable, and review the owner and dates if priorities change. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to goals, created a new goal, entered its details, created a target, and filled in everything necessary. You're ready to track meaningful results in ClickUp. If you ever need to adjust, reopen the goal, update the fields, and keep moving forward.